Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. For your general energy, we have Hermit, Six of Fire, and Queen of Air. So with these cards, guys, maybe in your situation, guys, you are thinking about something. Maybe you want to think with clarity. You want to make an important decision. So you want to know what is the right thing to do, and you are someone who makes shrewd decisions, guys. So you do not want to choose something wrong or may do something wrong. So you're waiting, taking time, thinking clearly, thinking about your circumstance from a different perspective, and you are deciding. And you are someone who is honest and you want a clear communication. Maybe with this person you love, you want to talk to them, clear your doubts, or they want to talk to you and clear their doubts, guys. So you are someone really honest and you want to make the right decisions, and you don't want to hurt this person. So you want clear communication with them, Gemini. That is also what I see, guys. And you are a really cheerful, confident person, and you are inspiring people with your wisdom, knowledge, and with your actions. You are someone making the right choices every time, and people trust and believe in you, and they come you for your support and guidance in any situation, guys. So you are a very reliable, trustworthy person. That is also what I see, guys. And today you are taking time. Maybe you want time, maybe you are speaking to this person and you are taking time thinking and deciding what is important for you and this person, and what is the right thing to do for both of you in this love. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Maybe it may be some important decisions in your work situation also, guys. So let's see the card for your relationship. We have Justice. So a very apt card here, guys. So you want to make the right choices for you, and your destiny is also playing a part. So whatever you have done is what is coming towards you. Maybe if you have done something good for this person or in your relationships, that goodness is coming back to you and you're reaping good rewards. And if it is something bad, you're reaping the bad, negative things, guys, today. And so that is the energy. So your karma is playing its part, or coming to you. That is what I see, guys, with this card. So the card for your career situation, it is King of Earth. So with this card, it just means that you are a really skilled and talented person, just like we saw with the previous cards. You are someone making the right plans, thinking clearly, and you are successful. You are in a very good position in life, and you are successful, and you're tasting more success and prosperity in your work situation today, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, for y'all today. Gemini, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are, you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you, it may be your family members or friends, whoever it is, they are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to this to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys, and this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your true love will come to you. For sure it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.